first time to do this kind of activity. But yeah, it's pretty good because it's like a more eco-friendly to clean our areas.
Okay.
Even though it's not our country, but still our earth, right?
Yes, true. Okay, how about you?
Very good.
So interesting. And just in Mongolia we don't have it, see? And this is like the second time.
Hello.
How was your experience so far?
Wake up too early.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm so tired.
我想先洗澡，然后。
I wanna sleep. My experience in here,
Yes.
take trash. I feel very satisfied.
Really?
Yes, 100%. Not bad. Take a lot of trash.
How are you? How was the coastal cleanup?
Thank you kayo sa Lapu-Lapu Tebo International College nga ang Barangay Puntaingan yung mga